Assalamu alaikum, this is Dr. Vakas. Welcome back to another video. This video is basically about how to prepare for an ALS. So I suppose you guys have booked the ALS. If you guys haven't watched my video regarding ALS, I'll put the link in the comment section so you can check how to book an ALS. So I suppose you guys have booked the ALS and now you are here because you wanted to know how to prepare for it. So well, actually it's not an exam. As I've mentioned earlier, it's a certification, but definitely they will take an exam. What will be in the exam? So there will be two portions in the exam. First they will take an MCQs paper, and then there will be assessment based on the scenario. For example, a patient is dying and you have to save him, so they will act and you have to save the patient in front of them. This is what will happen in the exam. First one is MCQs and the second one will be the physical simulation, the real simulation. So let's discuss about the MCQs part. So for the MCQs part, they will send you a manual probably 4 or 5 weeks before your ALS course. So before your ALS course, they will send you a manual. In this manual there'll be like 300-400 pages. So I know you guys can't go through these pages and you can't cram all of these pages, so let me give you a trick and hint about it, how to catch it. But keep it in your mind, don't forget the manual. At least go through the algorithms which are present in the manual. So there will be diagrams on specific pages. At least go through the algorithms once, because you should know what the algorithms are. So regarding the tip about the MCQs, there is a website I'm gonna put down in the comment section. It's not a sponsor video, so it's a trick regarding the MCQs. So there's a website known as Advanced Life Saving Support MCQs. So you guys just have to pay £6 for the subscription, and the subscription will be for 1 month or 2 months depending upon your duration. So what I did was I spent £6 and I studied the MCQs paper there. So on this specific website there will be certain papers regarding the MCQs. So you will go through these MCQs paper 1, 2, 3 one by one, and it will be just of £6. So I think it's worth £6. So if you guys are specifically looking and targeting for the MCQs part, you can check the MCQs on the Advanced Life Saving website. So the MCQs will not exactly be the same, but it will be more or less the same. You will understand the concept regarding the MCQs from that specific website. So for the secret website, you guys have to write Advanced Life Support MCQs. Open the first website. Now I already purchased the subscription, so I will just log in. You can buy the subscription, it's just £6. So I can just log in it. You can see my package is basic and it's £6 for just 1 month. So you guys can just buy the subscription for £6 and it will be valid for 1 month. So here you can see the final exam. Just click on the final exam. There are 3 papers here: paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. So there are multiple MCQs here. So I guarantee if you do all of these 3 papers, you will easily pass the MCQs part of the exam. You don't have to study and go through all the manual. So just go through paper A, B, C step by step and you will pass the MCQs exam. Apart from this, there are multiple other resources on the website as well. So here is the website, guys, I told you about. We will be discussing about the theory part, the physical simulation test. And this test, obviously, as I mentioned earlier, you have to go through the algorithms which are present in the manual. So go through the algorithm. What they will be assessing you is that if you are following the algorithm or not. So if you are following the algorithm, it's very easy to pass the physical simulation test. So but there is one more thing I would like to advise you about. So they will teach you everything from A to Z. They will teach you everything. So just open your mind, open your eyes, be clear about what they have been teaching you. Don't be lazy, don't be sleepy. Just focus and concentrate on what they taught you during the ALS course. So what they taught you on the ALS course, they will expecting you the same on the next day during the exam. So the only trick to pass the physical simulation test is to focus and concentrate what they have been teaching you. It's very easy, it's very simple. So there are just 3 things: the algorithm from the manual, the Advanced Life Support MCQs £6 subscription, you will get it for 1 month. Do the MCQs from there, you will pass the MCQs test. And for the physical simulation test, again, algorithms of the manual and being focused and concentration during the day of ALS. They will teach you everything first, then they'll take exam from it. So this is the only key to pass the ALS. It's quite an easy thing to do. It's not a very difficult exam, it's a certification, but yeah, they fail people. So yeah, just don't think it like this. It's you are paying 700 pounds, 600 pounds, they'll pass you. They will not pass you if you are not performing well in the exam. Yeah, MCQs will be easier, everyone will pass the MCQs, but you have to perform well, so they'll pass you. So let me tell you what happens if you are not able to pass either the MCQs test or either the physical test. So if you are not able to pass the MCQs test, so unfortunately you have to book another ALS course. The criteria for MCQs passing is more than 75%, so there will be 30 MCQs, so you have to score more than 75% out of it. But honestly, if you have gone through all the MCQs and algorithm, it's very easy. Everyone pass the MCQs test. Regarding the physical test, actually what they'll be doing is they'll giving you a chance. If you pass it, you'll pass the exam. So unfortunately, if you fail it once, they'll give you another chance on the same day. So they will again assess you by giving another scenario to you. If you pass it, then you'll be good to go. But unfortunately, if you fail the second attempt as well on the same day, what you'll be doing is they will ask you to come within 3 months on any day course is going on in the same center in the coming days, so you can attend the course in the coming days and take the physical simulation test again. You don't have to go through the course again, you don't have to pay the fee again. You just have to check for the course date, talk to the director, and they will let you take the simulation test again within 3 months. So this is how you do it. It's a very easy process. I hope you guys have understood the process. If you guys still have any queries, if you are still confused about it, you guys can put down in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe, guys. I love it. We'll see you in another video.